I recently went to replace two existing ceiling light fixtures with new pendant fixtures. The first one went well, but when I removed the second fixture, I discovered the wiring box was protruding from the sheetrock. The existing fixture is a different design from the new fixture and is not affected by this. The new design uses a flat metal plate which attaches to the wiring box using the existing screws that came with the wiring box. There are threaded holes in the metal plate which are used to hang the new fixture, but these screws could not be adjusted to pull the new fixture all the way to the ceiling because of the offset caused by the wiring box. I needed something to make up the gap between the new fixture and the ceiling, and this is the solution I produced. The red item is the lid from a 3.5-pound coffee mate container. Instead of mounting the metal plate directly on the wiring box, I mounted it on the top of the lid as shown here. One advantage of this approach is that the suspension screws can be adjusted precisely before hanging on the wiring box. I painted the new assembly using flat black spray paint. After the paint dried, I was able to mount the new assembly to the wiring box. After connecting the wiring, the decorative nuts were used to attach the fixture to the new assembly. The difference between the first fixture, on the left, and the new fixture is barely noticeable unless you are specifically looking for it.